As someone that snaps at the slightest provocation, I am so grateful to God that I have been able to control my anger and react to situations better. So if you have been struggling or battling with how to control your anger, here are two ways I've been able to work on my anger so it does not affect my relationship with other people. The number one thing I started doing was to reduce my assumptions and start asking for clarifications. Whenever I'm having a conversation or an argument with somebody and I immediately feel like I am being attacked, my eyes are already seeing red. At that point, I don't even want to know what you were trying to say or what you were trying to do. I am already attacking you and I'm already lambasting you. And most times after this outburst, I realize that the person will now start explaining what they were trying to say and then I'll start apologizing. Oh, I would have not said that. I didn't know this was what you were trying to say or what you were trying to do. But how would I have known? I already assumed that this person was coming for me. So whenever I'm in such situations, what I do is to first of all ask for better understanding of what the person was trying to say or do. Let me understand your actions so I will know how best to react to the situation. Because most times after reacting, I realized that that reaction was really uncalled for. So if you find yourself in similar situations like that, stop assuming and ask questions. Get to understand what exactly is going on before you react. Secondly, I try my best to stay calm. Sometimes I even try to sleep over it. It's not easy at all though, to stay calm in situations like that because sometimes your blood is just boiling, your head is on fire. You just want to, you have a lot of things to say to this person, but you see that a lot that you have, keep it by the side. I try not to respond immediately. I give it time. Two things will happen when you choose not to respond immediately. One, you will know how to structure your words better. For somebody like me that when I want to react with anger, everything and anything goes. I know everything to say that will hurt you and I will be on full bazooka mode. After reacting, I will become remorseful. Ah, I shouldn't have said that. Give me few hours or few minutes. The anger has passed away. So I try to stay calm, not react, so that every single thing that I had in my mind to say to this person that I know will cause lots of damage, I will keep it. By the time the anger passes by, I will not respond. By that time, I am responding with a cool head. So the things that I would have said before, I will not say them anymore. Secondly, when you choose to stay calm and not respond immediately, maybe even sleep over it, you realize that by the time you wake up, this person is not worth your energy. So why were you even wasting your emotions on this person in the first place? Because anger is such a strong negative emotion. Most times I'm like, why would I give this person an opportunity to allow this negative energy overwhelm me and make me start acting like a dragon? Please give yourself time. Do not react immediately. When you give yourself those few hours or those few minutes, the anger will go away by itself. And you will not react like a mad person the way you would have reacted when you allowed anger to take over you. One last thing I will add to this is that whenever anger is about to take over me, because I know when the anger is rising its ugly head, I speak to it and I tell it, you are just an emotion. You will not control me. I will be the one to control you. Another last thing, please give yourself grace. It is not easy dealing with anger. It is such a strong emotion. There are some days that you would react, you will fail, but forgive yourself and pick yourself up. Little by little, you will see yourself getting better.